This video is going to be pretty short. Just wanted to show you a problem I ran into today. This is a 2008 Cadillac CTS. And my wife called me because the car left her stranded on the side of the road for the first time. And it ended up being a coolant leak. The engine went into limp mode, I guess. And this little T-fitting here looks like it just kind of exploded. So it's underneath this panel right here, in between the air box, kind of tucked down in that little corner. So if you have a slow leak coming from this area, this definitely could be it. I've seen fittings like this just kind of spurt out the side, and they'll only do it when the vehicle is either hot or cooling down. Sometimes when they heat up, the crack even seals so they don't leak. So it can be a hard to find problem. So what we're going to do is replace this plastic T here with a piece of brass. This is the kit that I'm going to use. You can get this at local auto parts stores. See the part number there at the top. It'll come with two 3/8 T's. Sorry, a quarter, 3/8, and a 5/16. So we're going to use the 3/8 T and just cut into here. Use some hose clamps, and we'll tuck this guy back under there. This is a kind of a common thing that I've seen with Dodge Grand Caravans. This is the first time I've seen it happen on a Cadillac. But it's all the same kind of thing these days. You know, this plastic crap only has a certain amount of life in it. So hopefully if you have a coolant leak in this area and you're looking for it, maybe this will help you find it.